Have you ever thought, I want to invest my money, but I don't know where to start? If yes, don't worry. Today I will explain mutual funds in a very simple way. Most people keep their money only in a savings account. But the truth is, because of inflation, the value of that money slowly decreases. So, what is the solution? A mutual fund is the way where many people pool their money together and invest it. This means you are not investing alone. Many other people are investing along with you. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine 100 people go to the market to buy fruits. If everyone goes alone, they can buy only a small amount. But if they all buy together, they can get more quantity and better quality. A mutual fund works in the same way. This collected money is managed by a trained expert called a fund manager. The fund manager's job is to invest your money wisely. This money is invested in different places, such as company shares, government bonds, and other financial instruments. This is done to reduce the risk. If one investment goes down, another investment may go up, so the overall risk becomes lower. This is called diversification. Now the question is, how do you make money? When the value of this investment increases, the value of your mutual fund also increases. This increase is your profit. The best part is, you do not need a lot of money to start. You can start with just 500 rupees per month using something called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Mutual funds gives the best results when you stay invested for a long time. The more time you give, the more chances of growth you get. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or a business owner, mutual funds are for everyone. But always remember one thing, mutual funds are linked to the market. Returns are not guaranteed. However, with the right knowledge and patience, the risk can be reduced to a great extent. Investment is not the way to become rich quickly. It is a slow, smart, and safe way to build wealth. If you want to learn how to choose the right mutual fund or how to start SIP, then subscribe to this channel